Say good morning, YouTube.
Good morning, YouTube.
Say make sure y'all subscribe.
Subscribe.
Say well, subscribe to the channel.
Subscribe to the channel.
Say we off to school.
After school.
Bye.
Bye.
What's going on? So, drop my daughter off at school on my way to go to the auction. So we're gonna see what these prices are like today at the auction, man. Hopefully the price is good and hopefully we get some good deals today. Look at that, as you can see in the BMW today. See, look at that, got the name displayed off the back, so it shows fairly good. So look at that. So if you haven't already, that's the name, JJ's Cars and Advice. Subscribe. So let's get to the auction. Let's get to it, man. Let's see what they got. Hopefully some good prices today. Hopefully some different looking cars. I like the auction because they already sent out a text saying they got like 600 cars. So 600 opportunities to get some cars. So let's get to it. Got to come in here first things first. Get the early morning complimentary breakfast. They got juice. Always got juice, orange juice and apple juice. I'm eating a donut this morning, but what they have, I'll let you see. That's what they use. That's what they have for breakfast: scrambled eggs, sausage patties, oranges, hash browns, lunch, Italian sausage, salad, garlic. Me, I don't eat eggs, and I'm not gonna be eating at lunch. So I'm gonna eat this donut. Then I'm gonna go out here and go get these prices. But hey, they serve you free breakfast and free lunch every week if you want it. So always good, a good complimentary thing that they give to you. So let's get to it.
Skip back to number 31 and sell on the red line, $9,000. Good number 3 called 18, 17, 10, 17, 17, 17, 17, 16 down on down 2, 16, 2, 2, 2, 2, 14 grand, 2, 2, 9, and 40,000, 42, 2, 2, 14, 2, 42, 2,
What's up, JJ fam? Wait, it's JJ Advice and Cars. I know, we need to get one for you. JJ Cars and Advice fam. JJ let me have the camera. He's like, I can just go on here and shout you guys out. It's Wednesday, so auction day is non-stop busy right now. I'm trying to watch a video because some people are saying that they didn't buy a car, so I gotta watch it, and make sure who's the buyer and stuff like that. But shout out to everybody on JJ's. Okay, and also if you guys have not subscribed to my channel, you should come check me out. I just got back from Vegas and I posted 2 videos. I think I'm gonna have a 3rd video up. It was so much fun, but you guys come check me out. I'm trying to bring a little bit of everything on my channel, to like laughter, to motivation, I don't know, just a bunch of all kinds of stuff. So you guys come check me out, subscribe to me. My channel is Bad Bonnie on YouTube, and if you guys have any questions or anything, just drop a comment, let me know on here, and then I'll come back and check it out, or come to my channel. But thank you so much, JJ. He's the real MVP because he allowed me to get on his channel. One day I'll be on your level.
You'll be on my level, then you'll surpass me. So you know, that's what I always tell people. When I tell people, be answering like, "Oh, I'm trying to get like you." Trying to get like you, then I'm gonna surpass you. You know,
yeah, we're gonna be on the come up together.
Yes, we are.
We're gonna
up together.
Yes, I always like supporting everybody, and then everybody that supports me, I'm right there behind you guys. So much love, and I will see you guys on the next one.
They got 600 cars today, so we're gonna go walk around and see if it look like 600 out here. Walk up and down here. They got a Toyota Tundra. Got a lot of these fleet cars. A lot of fleet cars. Look at all these fleet cars. This whole row came from fleet. That's a whole row of fleet cars right there. Like, see right there, like anything that like says like lease or something like that, most of the time it was from a fleet company. So, and they got a lot of fleet cars. You got more, and you got those. So it's a lot of fleet cars today. Dirty hands, clean money. I like that. Get your hands dirty to make some clean money. It's a nice truck. This is the G8GT. Nope, this the regular V6. Nothing special. Still got a great look though. So that's basically those new Chevy SS's is. That's basically all them is. Those new Chevy, them Chevy SS's is all they is. They stole Pontiacs. And they didn't really steal it. I mean, they all the same company, so I guess that Porsche set that was last week. They got a lot of gaps in here. Nissan Titan, just need a new grill. That one could use a new grill. It said Toyota Highlanders, great vehicles. Yeah, they got all these cars running. They usually don't have all these cars running. They must be trying to get in and get out today. It don't look like it's 600 cars. Maybe if you included all those cars over there. Let me zoom in for you guys if you don't know what I'm talking about. They got a whole, like, another lot of cars over there. So maybe 600 including those. It don't look like 600. It looks like 450-ish, you know, 450-ish. But who am I to know? It's a nice truck too. There's a lot of trucks in here today. A lot of trucks in here today. Let's walk a little bit. I should have came here yesterday. I could have been dipping this little thing. Hopefully they don't sell it I could just drive it right now, but I'm not about to do that in the middle of the auction and get stuff out of order. But yeah, let's go back in here and see what these prices look like. Man, Toyota Tundra, like this is the Tundra right here. I want to get those models though. I get this 14 and up model with that grill, some better wheels. Yep, that's it. Let's get back in here.
Here's 135. And coming out of here, got 1,000 miles. Yes, I'm taking $8 grand. We're going to take a call on the last one selling. Okay. Here's 136, 136.
A lot of truck there, more than 41. Fourth, that's not a 373, 373. Here's number 36, number 36. 16 grand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 16, 4. 16, 4, 4, 4, 16, 3, 16, 4. 16, 3. 173, 173. Here we go, number 39, number
Double checkers. Double check, right?
Well, on, hit it about how much hair going on. Anybody give it a name? I need a bid. Yeah, get the money. Oh, need the bumper cover, guys. So what? Hold on, get anybody. Look at the mile. 118 on a 12 model. Anybody want to bid? 4 down, 1 down, 40 from 1, 100 about 40 from down, 2, 100 from 2, 140 from 7 down there. 40 from 2, 4,400 right here, 4,400. 194, thank you. Hey, 11, we're down, 11 grand, 11 1. 11 grand, 11 1, 2, 2, 2, 11 2, 11 2, 2, 3, 3, 11 3, 11 3, 3, 11 5, 3, 11 3, 3, 3, 11 3, 11 2, 11 3, 11 2, 3, 4, 4, phone call, 11:30 on a phone call. 139, 139. Apologize for not getting it. Or for you not getting there sooner, whatever the case was. Guys, we don't want to miss anybody. It's on the floor, online or otherwise. Every time, if we do, on occasion, miss a minute, I have to give Rick $50. And I owe you. All right, here we go. Get it 14. 317 to fire. Bring on the meter, guys, electric. Anybody want to bid? All right, time, 50, 100, 51 down there. And time, you do it, sir. 51 on there, 51, all that. 51, get it out of here. And time, all right, 4,100 here. 1, 100, 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 3, 4, 5, 6, 46, 700, 700, 8, 9, 40, 1, 2, 10, 100, now 300, 52 to 3, 52 to 3, 3 to 3, all that zebra, 2 to 3, 11 down 10, so 5,200, and do 5,200. 320, fire 320, thank you, sir.
Gentlemen, it's on a red light because it's got a torque converter shutter to it. There's a torque converter shutter to it. That's it. That's why it's on the red light. So now you know what to do to fix it. With a torque converter in. What about a couple $100? Alright, here we go. Then. So we're on 28 grand, 28 watt, 28 grand, 28 grand, 28 watt, 28 grand, and then just 17 grand, 17 watt, 24 grand, 24 watt, 24 watt, 24 grand, 24 grand, 24 watt, 24 grand, 24 grand, 24 grand, what? 24 grand, 224.
So, you know, the auction's over. I mean, fairly good deals so far. Some good deals, some prices just still outrageous. So, like, it was some ups and down prices today. Let me know in the comments below what y'all guys think of the prices today. I feel like, you know, they were up and down. So, some stuff was higher than normal. I need to go actually check the market and see like how the value of prices is going back, because some of the stuff that I seen today, I was like, man, did they raise the price up on the value of these cars since the COVID and stuff like that? They raised the price up higher, because I seen a 2014 Chevy Cruze LTZ with 130,000 miles. It went for like $5,700, and I was like, man, that's all the money. But yeah, I mean, appreciate Bonnie for, you know, coming in on the video. I always want to show my support. Her link for her video, one of her videos, will be in the description. Don't see anything else really about to come through right now, but if you haven't already, you know, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. It doesn't take anything to subscribe, you know, and subscribing is free, hitting that notification bell is free. And if you guys want to be a part of the membership team, you know, even more part of the family, join the membership to the lowest 99 cents. That'll be in the description. I gladly appreciate it if you guys get your membership. Have more videos with Carlos coming this week. I'm gonna be at Copart tomorrow. Hopefully I can get there. I'm gonna be what else? I don't know. Probably go live at Friday's auction because it's a dealer in the public auction. So if you haven't already, you know, subscribe to the channel. Like I said, drop a like. Likes go far. Comments go far, you know, hit the thumbs up, drop a thumbs up in the comment section. All that stuff goes far in helping YouTube and the algorithm and getting my channel more out there and more views. I've been grinding, I'm gonna stay grinding, and peace. Y'all have a great rest of the day. Peace.